Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. How are you? Hope you are all doing great. This is your math class. So take out your math countdown book 1. In fourth week of September, we will cover the following topics: ascending order, descending order, ordinal numbers, then table of 2 and 3. Let's start is our first topic, that is about ascending order. Ascending order means the numbers are arranged in a way of increasing order. A number moves towards the forward counting. As you can see, some random numbers are given. Let's arrange them in ascending order and move the sequence from smaller number to bigger number to an increasing greater number. So firstly there will be smaller one comes, that is 11, then 21, 25, 28 and 30. So this is how they all arrange in ascending order. Now open page number 47 and do exercise 1. Write the numbers of each group in ascending order. One has been done for you. Now complete the remaining parts in your book. So our next topic is about descending order. That means the numbers are arranged in decreasing order or numbers move towards backward counting. So as you can see, some random numbers are given here. Let's arrange them descending order and move sequence from largest number to a smallest number. So firstly largest number 90 comes here, then 86, 77, 73 and 70. So this is how the exercise have been done. Now open page number 47 and do exercise 2. Write the numbers of each group in descending order. Here one example has been done for you. Now complete all the parts in your book. Okay. Now our third topic is about ordinal numbers. Look at the zoo train. Some animals are traveling in the train. By using ordinal numbers, we can tell the position of an animal in a group. Ordinal number means which as first, second, third, which tell us the position of the object in a collection are called ordinal number. So firstly number, then arrange this correct order. So line is, who is in first position? Line. Look at the line. Line is on the first ordinal position. Then rabbit. Rabbit on second ordinal position. Frog is on third position. Monkey. Monkey on fourth position. Then tiger. Tiger on fifth position. Crocodile on sixth position. And on seventh position, this is a deer. Rat on eighth position. Giraffe is in ninth position. And last elephant is on 10th position. Now open page number 49 and do exercise 1. Look at the zoo train picture given on page number 48. There are some animals. Now arrange in a order. Please now do exercise 4 on page number 51. Now open page number 51. Page number 51, ordinal numbers, days of the week. Write the missing words. One has been done for you. Like Monday is the first day of the week. Do you remember days of the week? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, then Sunday. Like Monday is the first day of the week, then Tuesday is the second day of the week. Afterwards, Wednesday is the third day of the week. So Thursday is the fourth day of the week, and Friday is the fifth day of the week. Saturday is the sixth day of the week, and lastly Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Okay, now open page number 51 and do exercise 5. Match each day to the correct ordinal position. As you can see, one has been done for you. Now complete all the parts in your book. Okay. Now do exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4 on page number 53. On page number 53, ordinal numbers. Color the first and the fifth frog. Exercise 1. Color the first and fifth frog. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. Now color the first and fifth frog. Now exercise 2. Color the second, sixth and seventh butterflies. In these exercise, color the frog accordingly to the instructions given in a question, then butterflies. Only color the ordinal position, then complete the exercise. Okay students, so our fourth topic is about table of 2 and 3. I hope you remember. Let's learn the table of 2 and 3 and copy down. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, then 2 tens are 20, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27 and 3 tens are 30. Okay, now learn it and copy down. Okay, let's wind up our weekly homework. Hope you understand each and everything very clearly. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.